Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiran Psycho Academy. In today's video, we are covering one of the most important and high scoring topics of CDP, learning theories. These questions are frequently asked in CTET, conceptual and classroom based, very useful for quick revision. Let's begin. Part 1, learning theories. First, trial and error theory given by Thorndike. Learning happens by making mistakes and correcting them based on stimulants and response. Law of effect. Responsiveness followed by satisfaction and strengthened. For example, learning to ride a bicycle. Second, classical conditioning. Paulo. Learning by association. Nature stimulus plus natural stimulus. Example, bell plus food. Solution. Operant conditioning, B.F. Skinner. Learning through reinforcement and punishment. Reward increases behavior. Example, prize for correct answer. Fourth, observational learning. Albert Bandura. Learning by watching others. No direct reinforcement needed. For example, children copying teachers' behavior. Fifth, cognitive development theory, Jean Piaget. Learning depends on mental development. Child construct knowledge. Key idea, children think differently than adults. 6. Social constructivism, Vygotsky. Learning is social, ZPD. Learning with supports, teacher plus peer interaction is important. Discovery learning, Brunner. Learning by discovering concept. Student-centered learning, teacher acts as facilitator. 8. Insight learning, Kohler. Suddenly understanding of problem, learning by seeing whole situation. For example, chimpanzees experiment. Part 2, 50 MCQs learning theories. Question number 1, trial and error theory was proposed by option A, Paulo, option B, Skinner, option C, Thorndike, option D, Bandura. Correct answer is option C, Thorndike. Question number 2, learning by association is explained by option A, operant conditioning, option B, social conditioning, option C, insight learning, option D, discovery learning. Correct answer is option B, classical conditioning. Question number 3, reward strengthens behavior according to option A, Paulo, option B, Skinner, option C, Kohler, option D, Piaget. Correct answer is option B, Skinner. Question number 4, learning without reinforcement is explained by option A, conditioning, option B, trial and error, option C, observational learning, option D, drill. Correct answer is option C, observational learning. Question number 5, learning by student understanding is called option A, conditioning, option B, practice, option C, insight, option D, habit. Correct answer is option C, insight. Question number 6, ZPD is related to option A, Piaget, option B, Skinner, option C, Vygotsky, option D, Brunner. Correct answer is option C, Vygotsky. Question number 7, who believed learning is a social process? Option A, Thorndike, option B, Paulo, option C, Vygotsky, option D, Kohler. Correct answer is option C, Vygotsky. Question number 8, discovery learning was given by option A, Piaget, option B, Brunner, option C, Bandura, option D, Skinner. Correct answer is option B, Brunner. Question number 9, which theory focuses on reinforcement? Option A, classical conditioning, option B, operant conditioning, option C, insight learning, option D, cognitive theory. Correct answer is option B, operant conditioning. Question number 10, chimpanzee experiment is related to option A, Paulo, option B, Thorndike, option C, Kohler, option D, Bandura. Correct answer is option C, Kohler. Question number 11. Learning through imitation is explained by option A, operant conditioning, option B, classical conditioning, option C, social learning, option D, trial and error. Correct answer is option C, social learning. Question number 12. According to Piaget, learning depends on option A, reinforcement, option B, practice, option C, cognitive development, option D, drill. Correct answer is option C, cognitive development. Question number 13. Which theory ignores internal mental processes? Option A, cognitive, option B, Gestalt, option C, behaviorism, option D, constructivism. Correct answer is option C, behaviorism. Question number 14. Teacher as facilitator is emphasized by option A, Brunner, option B, Paulo, option C, Skinner, option D, Thorndike. Correct answer is option A, Brunner. Question number 15. Law of effects belongs to option A, Paulo, option B, Thorndike, option C, Skinner, option D, Bandura. Correct answer is option B, Thorndike. Question number 16. Which learning is meaningful? Option A, rote learning, option B, drill, option C, insight learning, option D, mechanical learning. Correct answer is option C, insight learning. Question number 17. Learning by doing is supported by option A, trial and error, option B, conditioning, option C, drill, option D, memorization. Correct answer is option A, trial and error. Question number 18. Which learning theory supports group work? Option A, behaviorism, option B, social constructivism, option C, conditioning, option D, drill. Correct answer is option B, social constructivism. Question number 19. Which is not a learning theory? Option A, insight learning, option B, conditioning, option C, motivation theory, option D, trial and error. Correct answer is option C, motivation learning. Question number 20. Learning without practice is possible in option A, rote learning, option B, drill, option C, insight learning, option D, conditioning. Correct answer is option C, insight learning. Question number 21. Who used dogs in experiments? Option A, Skinner, option B, Paulo, option C, Thorndike, option D, Kohler. Correct answer is option B, Paulo. Question number 22. Which theory is learner-centered? Option A, behaviorism, option B, discovery learning, option C, conditioning, option D, drill. Correct answer is option B, discovery learning. Question number 23. Which learning depends on reward? Option A, classical conditioning, option B, operant conditioning, option C, insight learning, option D, cognitive learning. Correct answer is option B, operant conditioning. Question number 25. Thinking before acting is emphasizing in option A, trial and error, option B, insight learning, option C, conditioning, option D, drill. Correct answer is option B, insight learning. Question number 25. Which theory supports scaffolding? Option A, Skinner, option B, Thorndike, option C, Vygotsky, option D, Paulo. Correct answer is option C, Vygotsky. Question number 26 to 50, rapid fire revision style. Question number 26, learning by observation, Bandura. 26, whole perception, Gestalt. 28, learning is gradual, trial and error. 29, reinforcement is key, Skinner. Learning is social, Vygotsky. Sudden solution, insight. Child construct knowledge, Piaget. Teacher center, behaviorism. Student center, Brunner. Learning by association, Paulo. Trial and error, Thorndike. Learning without reward, Bandura. Drill based behaviorism. Meaningful learning, Gestalt. ZPD, Vygotsky. Reward strength response, Skinner. Learning by discovery, Brunner. Cognitive stage, Piaget. Chimpanzee, Kohler. Stimulus response, Thorndike. conditioning Paulo, social interaction Vygotsky, exploration Brunner, reinforcement ignored insight, best role of teacher facilitator. Thank you student. See you next video.